How to clean car. We've all been there. You hop into your car, look around, and suddenly realize it's a total mess. Dust on the dashboard, coffee stains on the seats, fingerprints on the windows, oh, and don't even get me started on those muddy tires. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your car like a pro, inside and out. Whether you want to give your ride a quick refresh or a deep clean that makes it look brand new, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to break it all down step by step, from washing the exterior without scratching the paint to deep cleaning your interior and even making those tires shine like new. Plus, I'll share some pro tips that detailers use to get that showroom finish. So, grab your sponges and your favorite car soap because by the end of this video, your car is going to look better than ever. Let's get started. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to washing the car's body, cleaning the wheels, defogging the headlights, waxing the car, and cleaning the interior. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Washing the car's body. Number 1. Park your car in a shaded area. Washing your car in a cool, shaded area will prevent soap suds from drying quickly and leaving stains on your car before you get the chance to rinse them off. If the body of your car is hot from sitting in the sun or from driving, wait 20 to 30 minutes for your car to cool down before cleaning it. If you don't have a shady spot where you can wash your car, work in small sections. Rinse off the soap with water from a hose and dry it as soon as possible to avoid soap and water stains. If you're washing your car at home, park it on the grass, gravel, or other surfaces that'll absorb the water you use to wash it. This helps prevent sending dirty water down storm drains that usually lead to natural water sources. Number 2. Fill 2 buckets with warm water. In one of the buckets, squirt a few drops of specially formulated car wash shampoo, then fill it up with water. Fill the other bucket only with warm water. The bucket with plain water is where you'll rinse your washcloth, while the car cleaner solution will go on the outside of your car. Do not use dishwashing detergent or hand soap to clean your car. These harsh household cleaners may strip off your car's wax and damage the car's exterior. Number 3. Rinse the car with a hose to remove loose dirt. Before you apply the car wash shampoo, use your hose to spray down the entire body of the car to knock off any loose dirt or debris. If there are leaves, twigs, and other big pieces of debris, simply remove them by hand. Set the hose on a high-pressure setting to rinse hard to remove dirt, debris, and grime. However, make sure the pressure isn't too high since that can remove your car's wax or paint. Use special bug and tar removers to get rid of bugs, bird droppings, and other stubborn stains. Spray a liberal amount on the problem area, let it sit for a few minutes, following your product's instructions, then rinse off the product with water and a clean cloth. Number 4. Scrub your car with a sponge and the car shampoo solution. Work on one section at a time and wipe the surface of your car with the sponge in an up and down motion. Then, completely rinse each section with water after you finish scrubbing to prevent the soap from drying onto your car. Another option is to use something like a lamb's wool mitt that will be gentle on your car's exterior. Avoid scrubbing your car using a circular motion since this can leave swirl marks behind. Rinse your sponge often in the bucket of clean water after each use. This helps get rid of debris on the sponge that may scratch your car. Number 5. Dry your car with a soft towel. Use a soft terry towel or a chamois, synthetic or natural, to blot away the water on your car. Avoid leaving your car to air dry since this could leave behind watermarks. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning the wheels. Number 1. Fill a bucket with water and a wheel cleaning solution. Make sure to choose a cleaner that's safe for all wheel surfaces. Then, fill a second bucket with just clean water. One bucket will be used for cleaning, and the other will be used for rinsing your sponge and brush. Avoid using dishwashing detergents or caustic cleaners that contain acid since these cleaners can ruin the finish on your wheels. If you don't have a special wheel cleaner, using car wash shampoo will work just as well. Number 2. Use the hose to knock off dirt and mud. If you have some particularly stubborn stains and buildups of dirt, use a slightly higher pressure on your hose to help remove them. Use your hose before going in with a sponge or brush to prevent the debris particles from scratching the finish on your wheels. Number 3. Clean each wheel with a sponge soaked in the cleaning solution. Clean the face and tires using a sponge or wash mitt. If your wheels are very dirty, you may need to apply a degreaser before cleaning them. Rinse your sponge in the bucket with clean water between each scrubbing to clean off any dirt. If you have alloy wheels, use an alloy wheel cleaning spray on stubborn buildups of brake dust or other debris. Number 4. Use a thin brush to clean inside the wheel spokes. For alloy wheels, get a thin wheel cleaning brush to get in between the spokes of the wheels and go over the lug nuts. Rinse the brushes in the bucket of clean water when they start to get dirty. If you don't have a special wheel brush, a soft bristled toothbrush will also work. Number 5. Rinse and dry each wheel. Once you're done scrubbing, rinse each wheel thoroughly with water until all dirt and debris are removed. Be sure to also rinse under the wheel arches and the underside of the car, especially if you have a lot of salt buildup on your car from the winter. Then, dry each wheel with a soft cloth. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Defogging the headlights. Number 1. Use toothpaste to clean slightly foggy headlights. If your headlights only have a bit of fog obscuring their shine, use toothpaste as a DIY cleaner. First, clean your headlights with Windex glass cleaner or soapy warm water using a microfiber cloth or sponge. Then, squirt some toothpaste onto your fingertip and rub it onto the headlight. Keep the surface wet and apply more toothpaste until the fog is gone. Toothpaste that has baking soda in it is said to be more effective. Keep in mind that this process requires you to scrub away the protective coating on your headlight. After you've removed this coating, apply a sealant to protect your headlights from things like water damage. Number 2. Alternatively, purchase a headlight restoration kit. Buy a kit that includes various grades of sandpaper, a polish or plastic cleaner, a protective coating, and polishing cloths. Follow the manufacturer's directions carefully, and keep in mind that it could take 15 to 20 minutes to clean each headlight. Watch any instructional videos that may come with your kit to see a proper demonstration before beginning. When sanding your headlights, take extra caution to not scrape over the surface of your car. Some kits recommend taping around your headlights, but be aware that the tape could also lift off the paint and finish on your car. After you apply the sealant, let it dry for several hours or overnight. Some kits will instruct you to reapply the protectant every 1 to 3 years, depending on the weather conditions and whether you keep your car in a garage. Number 3. Or, take your car to get the headlights professionally cleaned. Cleaning headlights can be a tedious task, and you can also risk damaging your car if you're not careful. If you'd rather leave it to the professionals, take your car into an automotive shop or your dealer to see if they do headlight treatments. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 4. Waxing the car. Number 1. Use a clay bar or clay mitt to remove dirt from your car. Spray your claying tool and a small section of your car with a generous amount of clay luber, and then take your clay bar or clay mitt and gently scrub the surface of the car in short, quick streaks either up and down or left and right. When you've finished a section, use a microfiber towel to wipe off the excess clay lube. Be sure to wash the exterior of your car before you begin claying and waxing to get rid of as much dirt, dust, and debris as possible. Once the clay begins to glide smoothly over the section and you don't hear or feel any roughness in the finish, move on to the next section. If you're using a clay bar, fold the putty as you work so that you're always using a clean section of clay. Once the entire clay bar is dirty, throw it out. If you're using a clay mitt, rinse it with water once it becomes dirty to avoid scratching your car with the dirt particles you've collected. Number 2. Squeeze car wax onto an applicator pad and rub it into your car. Car waxes come in spray forms as well as liquid gel forms. If you're using a gel, squeeze 2 straight lines onto your applicator pad and then dab the pad onto the surface of the car every few inches to ensure an even coating. If you're using a spray, spray a thin layer of wax onto the body of your car. Rub the applicator pad in small, circular motions to evenly apply the wax. Avoid getting wax on your windows or the trim of your car. Number 3. Use a microfiber cloth to buff the wax. Move the towel in small circles over the area that you waxed. Use a high-quality towel to prevent scratching. Before buffing the wax, you may need to let the wax dry, depending on the product you're using. To be safe, follow the product's instructions carefully. Repeat the process of applying wax and buffing the surface of your car until you've waxed the entire exterior of your car. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 5. Cleaning the interior. Number 1. Throw out any trash cluttering your car. Pull out a trash bag and throw in fast food wrappers, old tissues, and any other pieces of garbage that are littering the inside of your car. Check the floors, cup holders, glove compartment, and the storage spaces in the doors. Use something like a skewer or a thin pair of tongs to reach pieces of trash that may have fallen into small crevices or between the seats. Keep a small trash bag or trash bin in your car at all times to throw away trash and prevent it from piling up on your floor. Another idea is to get a car organizer for your back seat or trunk to organize any clutter. Number 2. Vacuum or wash the floor mats. If you have carpeted floor mats, remove them from the car and shake them out outside. Then, go in with a vacuum to get rid of any stubborn crumbs or dirt. If you have plastic mats, shake them out and then spray them down with a hose to clean them. If you want to deep clean your carpet floor mats, use a scrub brush and a carpet floor mat cleaner. Deodorize your floor mats by sprinkling baking soda on them and letting them sit for a few hours. Vacuum up the baking soda and repeat the process if there's still a smell. Number 3. Spray a glass cleaner into the cup holders. Let the glass cleaner sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then use a paper towel to clean out the dirt and grime. Another option is to use car putty to pick up any crumbs or dirt stuck in cup holders or other small crevices. Alternatively, place an old sock on the bottom of a mug or travel cup. Then, place the mug in the cup holder and twist it to remove dirt and grime. Number 4. Vacuum the entire interior of your car. Start at the top of the seats, dashboard, and console before moving to the floor so that any dirt or dust will fall to the floor. Use the upholstery nozzle to vacuum the seats, upholstered areas, and the headliner, then use the brush attachment on hard vinyl, plastic, and metal, such as the dashboard and console. To clean small crevices and tight areas, use the crevice attachment. Adjust the seats backward and forward to clean hard-to-reach spots underneath them. Number 5. Spray a foam cleanser onto stains on fabric seats. Rub the cleanser into the stain with a soft brush, then let it dry per your specific product's instructions. After that, use a vacuum to remove any leftover cleanser. If the stain remains, then spray more cleanser onto the affected area and clean again until it's gone. If your seats are leather, then make sure to use a leather cleaner or saddle soap to clean your seats, as well as other parts of the car that are made of leather. When using any sprays or cleaning products, keep your car doors open to keep the interior well ventilated. Number 6. Sanitize the dashboard and console with car wipes. Make sure to use specially formulated car wipes that won't damage the surfaces in the interior of your car. Dampen some Q-tips or cotton swabs with the cleaning solution from the wipes to clean small areas like radio buttons, air vents, and panel seams. If you don't have car wipes, an all-purpose household cleaner that's ammonia-free will also work. Number 7. Clean the windows and mirrors with a glass cleaner. Any household glass cleaner or glass cleaning wipes will do. If you're using a spray, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel before applying it to your windows and mirrors to avoid getting it on other surfaces. Wipe both the inside and outside of your windows as well as your side and rear view mirrors. If you have tinted windows, avoid using an ammonia-based glass cleaner. Roll down your windows to thoroughly clean the top section of the window. Number 8. Clean touchscreens with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol and gently run it over any touchscreens in your car. Avoid using ammonia-based glass or window cleaners since they can damage your screen. Another option is to buy 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes. Number 9. Use an air freshener to make your car smell nice. Purchase something like a hanging air freshener to put on your rearview mirror or vent air fresheners. After you've vacuumed and cleaned your car from top to bottom, a fresh scent will make your car feel practically brand new. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. You can also take your car to an automatic or drive-through service to have it cleaned, which can help reduce water pollution. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.